what we've got here is the final control box, as it's basically ready to go into the car. I'm still waiting on a 500 amp fuse that's going to go in the corner there, but apart from that, pretty much what you see is what you get. So we've got the safety switch here, we've got the shunt, and we've got the main contactor. And if you've been watching previous videos, the main change, I guess, is the tidiness. I've tidied up all the wiring, and I'll run through things one at a time. First of all, you'll see I've got the wiring on the shunt, which is going to send information through to my little control box, which I've got up there. So this little guy is going to sit on the dashboard and display how much battery capacity I've got left and how quickly I'm churning through it based on the flow across the shunt. Now if we come around this side, you can see I've added a pre-charge resistor to the main contactor, and I've tidied up the wiring there. It goes across to those little plugs. On the other side of the contactor, I've got this copper bus bar, and you can see that white diode there is another protection circuit, which you can see the details on the blog. I really tried to tidy up the wiring, so for when it goes in the car, I've got these two plugs here which are going to come off the battery. I can just plug them straight in. If I need to take the control box out, as I know I'm probably going to have to, it just makes it a lot easier than having to pull the wires out and disassemble the whole thing. So going around onto the other side, as you can see from previous videos, I have my 12 volt battery, I have my ignition barrel, and I have my electric lawnmower engine. I put my trusty screwdriver in there. You can hear the contactor and the motor starts to run. Okay, if I turn it back on again and throw the safety switch, everything's still safe. Put it back on again, the motor kicks in, turn the ignition off, everything's safe again.